If you want to be the best public speaker on stage, move around a lot. Yes, move around a lot. 99.999% of public speakers, they stand still while speaking, but that is wrong. Okay, so yes, move around a lot while you're speaking because motion creates emotion. Okay, so make sure that you do not make a pattern while you move. Okay, it should not be like to and fro motion. I'm telling that from my own experience because first time when I went on to this stage, I was not aware of that, but I was making a to and fro motion. I go that side and this side and that side and this side. So don't follow a pattern. So the right way is you can just stand at one place and then move to the next corner and then come back and stand in the middle. So keep changing position and then randomly move around, right? So and you have to repeat that many times on the stage. Why I'm telling you this? Because imagine you have gone for a concert and a musician is performing by standing still at a place. Don't you think it's boring? So the audience will lose interest in this case, and what they will think that it's better to go back home and watch some music on the radio. So a public speaker is no less than a performer, right? So as a public speaker, people are expecting you to be having a lot of energy. So when you move around, it shows your energy through your body language. So always move around a lot on the stage. See you in the next video.